A new wave of progress is transforming the lives of people in India's vast hinterland, ushering in a silent revolution of socio-economic change. Today, farmers find more time to attend to their work and can even save money. Women have easy access to many items of daily use, children to books and stationery, and the youth too have new opportunities for gainful employment. Sowing the seeds of progress through connectivity and convenience are a chain of rural petrol stations, serving as one-stop shops for the multiple needs of villagers. An innovative rural marketing mission of India's leading petroleum company. Indian Oil, Kisan Seva Kendra. A road to rural progress. For over 5 decades now, Indian Oil has been fueling the growth of India, fulfilling the energy needs of its people with a swelling presence in every nook and corner of the nation. Driving growth and nurturing prosperity, Indian Oil, India's largest commercial enterprise and the #1 energy brand, is making a difference to the lives of people in rural India. To fulfill their dreams, Indian Oil conceived an innovative retail model, the Kisan Seva Kendra, bringing energy literally to the doorstep of millions of Indians living in remote villages. Bridging distances, nurturing hopes. Kisan Seva Kendra is a unique low-cost retail outlet designed to cater to the special needs of the rural lifestyle. A convenient single-stop shop for farmers, housewives and children alike, providing reliable quality auto fuels like diesel and petrol, servo lubricants, including tractor, pump set and agro spray oils, besides household items of daily use, fertilizers for better yields, hybrid seeds for better harvests, and farm implements for the use of the farmers. Reputed brands of household appliances, provisions, cosmetics and toiletries, OTC medicines and even condoms to encourage family planning. The energy-efficient Nutan stove and low-cost solar lanterns offer villagers modern convenience and economy. Kisan Seva Kendra also meet the needs of village children with books and stationery. The success of Kisan Seva Kendra has attracted several reputed brands and companies to join hands with Indian Oil to reach out to rural India as alliance partners. Tata Motors for LCVs and rural passenger vehicles, Exide for batteries, JK Group for tires, National Seeds Corporation for seeds and agri products, Dabur India for FMCG products, Emami for personal care products, Karnataka Soaps and Detergents for soaps, agarbattis, FMCG products, MIC Electronics and Mozabear for low-cost solar lamps, HDFC Rural Banking for disbursing agri-loans and cash handling services, Safex for portable fire extinguishers and many more. Other partnerships include bank ATMs, insurance companies, restaurant chains, dhabas, convenience stores and more. Indian Oil Kisan Seva Kendra outlets have also become ideal platforms for knowledge sharing and for interaction between farmers, conducting seminars on the latest farming techniques, products, trends and providing the latest market information.
पेट्रोल पंप बनने के वजह से काफ़ी एरिया संपन्न हो गई, जगह जगह भाग दौड़ नहीं करना पड़ता है, वरना 10-11 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ता था और जाने के बावजूद मिल पाए या न मिल पाए।
बाकी पंपों पर तो तेल मिल जाता है, बाकी सुविधाएं नहीं मिलती। यहाँ पर तो हमें घरेलू, खेती की, राजस्व की और पढ़ाई लिखाई की जो भी कागजात चाहिए वो हमें सब कुछ मिलता है।
और कोई चीज़ की कमी भी नहीं है, ना तेल में कमी है, ना पैसे में कोई लफड़ा है।
यहाँ पर कोई छोटा बच्चा हो आया चाहे कोई बुजुर्ग है, सबको कुछ न कुछ फ़ायदा मिलता है। इंटरनेट की सुविधा बहुत अच्छी यहाँ पे चल रही है। गांव में मतलब तमाम और इंजन भी बढ़े
और खेती के मतलब वो साधन बढ़े और खेती भी अच्छी होने लगी।
इस पेट्रोल पंप बनने से जितनी तारीफ की जाए वो सब कम है। इससे बहुत बड़ा लाभ हुआ, मतलब सिधौली जाना पड़ता था, काश्तकार परेशान हम लोग होते थे, और इसके बनने जितनी तारीफ की जाए सब कम है।
For Indian Oil, Kisan Seva Kendra is a business hub that is a force multiplier in rural India, creating a new generation of rural entrepreneurs, including women entrepreneurs, generating direct employment opportunities to more than 20,000 youth and indirectly employing many more.
गांव क्या यहाँ से 10 किलोमीटर के दोनों तरफ के एरिया में कोई भी पंप नहीं है, और पंप के अलावा जो सुविधाएं 10 किलोमीटर के दायरे में नहीं है उसको हमने यहाँ इस KSK के माध्यम से दिया है लोगों को। उससे काफ़ी लोगों के एक्सपेंसेस कम हुए हैं।
आए अगर हमारे डीजल पेट्रोल नहीं तो उनको सारा सामान हमारे यहाँ से मिल जाए, उनको इधर उधर न जाना पड़े, कस्टमर को हर चीज़ हमारे पेट्रोल पंप से उनको मिल जाए।
Being in a public, running one business and being goodwill with means our customers, and that is I am feeling very happy and satisfied.
I get a very good respect from the people surrounding places, and who every day they will come us and they will talk to us, and it's a very nice feeling for us.
The mission began in January 2005. Since then, Indian Oil has been commissioning on an average more than 600 outlets every year. Today, Indian Oil has created a vast network of nearly 5,000 Kisan Seva Kendra across the length and breadth of India, a rare feat of building an energy lifeline across the Indian heartland. More than fulfilling the needs of rural India, Indian Oil Kisan Seva Kendra has earned the confidence of rural customers, winning several accolades in the process. The India Retail Forum's Most Admired Retailer Award in the Rural Retail category for 4 consecutive years. The Best Retailer Award in the Rural Initiative category at the Asia Retail Congress for 4 consecutive years. The Gold Trophy for the Best Long-Term Rural Initiative presented by the Rural Marketing Association of India. Today, Kisan Seva Kendra outlets also offer a unique platform for Indian Oil's CSR initiatives. A new rural healthcare program called Sachal Swasthya Seva, a mobile Medicare service, now provides free healthcare to lakhs of villagers at their doorstep. Indian Oil Kisan Seva Kendra, an instrument of social and economic change, a powerful symbol of inclusive growth, a silent revolution to transform the lives of millions living in the villages, empowering them for tomorrow's progress today. Indian Oil Kisan Seva Kendra, a road to rural progress.